Railay Beach, Thailand. Railay Beach is regarded as the most laid-back and beautiful Asian beach, and it's located in KRABI, Thailand's least visited province. You must take a boat from Nang, which will take approximately 10 minutes, which costs about 200 baht for a round trip. Along the route, you'll come across beautiful powdery sand, gorgeous limestone cliffs, and countless hidden coves. The crowds grow as the day progresses, and many people come to enjoy various adventure activities such as kayaking, snorkeling, and climbing for the greatest beach vacations in Asia. Railay is calm, with monkeys frolicking amid sunbathers and the many rock climbers who visit. It's one of Thailand's top beaches due to its unique surroundings. Railay Beach is surrounded by dense bushes, making the sea unfit for swimming. Nonetheless, these locations provide enough opportunities for hiking and trekking through deep caves or to the tops of overhanging cliffs with breathtaking vistas of blue waters. Railay Beach is only 15 minutes by long-tail boat from Nang, one of KRABI's most popular beaches, and a long way away from Railay Beach's calm solitude. Railay Beach is best visited between November and March when the weather is favorable. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to get updates on new videos. We hope you liked it. The comment section is all yours. Do tell us your suggestions about next videos. Goodbye.